Okay guys, whole new video on AirPods. Got a Clorox here, so a lot of people don't maintain this, so I was bored today, so let me do a video on this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how dirty this gets first of all, and you should disinfect this. So first of all, take a Clorox wipe, just wipe this baby down from outside first. Okay, just like that. Gonna get a couple of Q-tips. AirPods, disgusting stuff. No one maintains it. Look at this. That is nasty. Look at this guy. Look at this. Disgusting. Anyways, I did a little bit of work over here. So this thing was so dirty. So what you want to do is, first of all, let's try to get, you know what? First of all, you squeeze this little guy and you get some of the liquid out of this, just like that. Okay, it's there. You can't see it. We're going to put the Q-tip in there, the swab. We're gonna try to get as much as we can out of here. Okay, from these ears. You should do this, I would say weekly you should do this. Okay. And this can get you sick. Ear infection, all kinds of stuff is going around, especially in winter. So it's gonna be hard to get spots, okay? So I did soak both of these Clorox wipes. So if you squeeze this, you'll get the stuff out of this. I would go deep inside here and just spin it around. Don't go crazy because there's contacts in there. But just give it a rinse here, rinse here. Use one swab only for one side. And if you want to go both ways, it's all up to you. These Q-tips work well, okay? So what we're going to do here is, I'm going to try to get that little corner there. You can also, I like to break these, okay? Once you break these, if I can break these, if you have toothpick, that's even better. If you break these, you don't want to push in on this, okay? You want to get this stuff out, okay? Just try to get it out, because if you push it in, it can go inside, but look at that, okay? You don't want it to go in. That's all you need to do right there. Okay, same thing on this little section here. And I did wipe these down to begin with, all of these. Okay. And just wipe them down. I would say you should do this daily, not weekly. So, second swab is already soaked up. I want to go deep in there again one more time. Okay. It's not going to damage your ear pods, okay? Don't worry about it. It will not damage nothing here. We're going to clean this side here. Total clean, okay? I'm going to go get another Clorox wipe here, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'm back with a fresh wipe here. So I want to squeeze this and get the liquid out of there. Just like that. Let's rinse this guy. Let's rinse this guy. I want to go deep in there one more time. It's gonna be the last time. Don't worry, it's not gonna get things soaked in there. It's not gonna water damage anything. And there you have it. This is taking me more longer than it should take you at home, okay? So I do want to use this Q-tip to get all the nasty stuff out of there. And just go soft and gently. If you twist on it, it will try to get it out of there instead of pushing it in there. Okay, so let me try one more time. It's too wet. This is a little too soaked up. Look at that. Look at that nasty stuff coming out. Just spin on it, okay? Mechanic doing some cleaning here. All right, let's break this Q-tip. Should have brought a scissor. I got it. Come on. And it's not breaking. There you go. I have to yank it really hard. So it's gonna try to get stuck on the edges here. So that's the part that you're gonna have to get out of there. And once it's looking nice and good, okay, let's wipe this down because we're gonna continue to use this. And any particle you could get out of there, just wipe it off, okay? Because you don't want it to, there's a whole bunch of stuff sticking out. Let's get that off too. Okay. All right. You should also clean over here, but usually this doesn't get, blowing some air on it should work out. But usually this is the part that it's just a microphone. But look at this side, okay? Look at this side. Look at this. Look at that. Disgusting. Okay. I just let these go a little too far so they can collect on this nasty stuff, so I can show you guys what people really do. And this is one of the reasons why I don't like the plastic earbuds. And because those things, they're oily every time you put them on. Okay, let's switch our little guy here. And this is looking really good. So this is my final touch here. What I want to do here is, I don't want to push nothing inward, okay? So I'm gonna wipe this thing down so this earbud is nice and clean and good to go. Try to do your best you can without, you don't want to damage the earbuds either. So there we have it. You can't blow air in there. I'm trying to do it with my mouth only with the mouth, okay? Nothing else. So this baby's looking good. I'm gonna give this final touches to this left side earbud here. Okay, there you go. I had AirPods that the right side kept on dropping signal on me. So this is gonna be the final touch on this. And we're all done, guys. We're all done. We're gonna push this stuff to the side. And I'm gonna just wipe this down with my shirt a little bit. Okay, there we have it. This baby goes in. And this baby goes in. And we got nice and clean earbuds. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. They even feel different now. Touching them, they feel different. So if you got Q-tips, you can go really, really deep in there. And if you don't have Q-tips, try to get a stick or something up. I don't know why I did this. I put the disgusting stuff back on. So if you got Q-tips, yeah, I'm talking about not Q-tips, toothpicks. If you got toothpicks, you can go really deep in there. And there you have it. So these little markings here are just from opening and closing and slamming in the box. Thank you for watching my video, guys.